Are you thinking of feeding your garden birds this winter? I'm Julie from Julie Davis Flower Workshops and Flower Start, the online flower arranging classes. I've been making fat balls and using orange skins as a tiny little basket to hold them in. If you fancy doing that, come with me and let's get started. So for this project you're going to need an orange, and I've cut this one in half, some cooking fat, I've got white vegetarian cooking fat, and a mix of porridge oats, dried fruit, scraps of cheese, breadcrumbs, peanuts, bird food. So all sorts of things you've probably got lying around at home. The first job is to slice open your orange, cut that in half, and then go around the edge with a knife, and then with a spoon take out the flesh, and you can eat that later. Having got rid of the flesh inside the orange, I take a skewer or a sharp knife and make a hole. I've already got one hole here. Across to the other side, and then holes going the other way as well. So 4 holes, so I can add in some string so I can hang that up. So I've got 2 pieces of string here, and I'll guide it through the hole. So if I hold it over the hole and then use the skewer to poke it through, and the same on the other side. Take the skewer across the hole and poke the string in. And then tie that off in a knot. And just to be really secure, take the other set of string to the other pair of holes. So hold the string over the hole and push the string through with a skewer. And tie off with a double knot on both sides. So there you have a little orange basket with string where you can hang that over a tree, over a branch. And the next thing to do is to fill up that little hole there. So this is the bowl where I've mixed my softened vegetable fat and porridge oats and dried fruit, bits of cheese left over from grated cheese, and breadcrumbs, a little bit of birdseed in there as well, and take a hand-sized piece, mould it in your hands, it's like a lovely snowball, and push it down firmly into that orange casing, and there you have a lovely decorative and functional bird feeder. So I do hope you enjoyed that video of how to make really decorative but very useful fat balls to see your garden birds through the harsh winter months. If you've enjoyed the video, do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave me a comment in the box below and let me know how you get on if you decide to tackle this project, and I'll see you another time.